Hi, my name is Alex and I welcome you all to this video course. Today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about how to acquire this skill and how to make money from it. Today I'm going to teach you as well how to make money, make your first $200 by creating a professional advertising videos for businesses, for yourself, for your products, for your brand, for customers, for clients, and be charging them depending on the length of the video you are creating for them. The video you are creating for them can be used for video advertising on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. So it's a win-win thing. So I would love you to enroll today and make your first $200 in 1 week, like I'm making on Facebook daily. You can see from my profile I'm making a lot of money already. So enroll today and let's make this money together in 2021. Thank you.